Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome back to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time we solved this question involving linear equations and I asked you to try solving this question right here. Let's crack this question together. Tyra subscribes to an online gaming service that charges a monthly fee of $5.25 per hour for time spent playing premium games. Which of the following functions gives Tyra's cost in dollars for a month in which she spends X hours playing premium games? Let's take a look at the numbers they've given us. A monthly fee of $5. This is a fixed cost. And I said last time that a fixed cost is going to be your y-intercept. So the y-intercept is going to be 5 and 0.25 cents per hour. This is a rate which is a increase or decrease in cost, which is going to be your slope. I've written the equation here. Let's fill in the blanks. Yellow is the slope, which is 25 cents per hour. X is the number of hours. And orange is going to be the fixed cost, which is $5 per month, regardless of how many hours she plays. So this is the equation we need, and let's take a look at the options to see if anything matches. Wouldn't you have it? Option C is C of x is equal to 5 plus 0.25x, which is exactly the equation we got here. That means you're going to mark C as the correct answer. This time we used both the slope and the intercept, so I hope you're able to use them well. As you can see, what I said in the beginning, y-intercept is going to be a fixed cost or your initial starting, your beginning, and your slope is going to be your increase, your decrease, or your rate. Really helpful. You can use it for every question. Try and solve this question right here. This one actually might be a little bit more difficult. I hope you're able to solve it though. I'll show you how to do it.